Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this wig, and I'm going to use this Fauxlocs that I used on my previous video on how to crochet your own hair. So if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Meet me at the cornerstone.
I had this crochet for 2 weeks. I didn't want to have it for long because, as you can see, it was already like affecting my hairline. I felt like it was already pulling my hairline back and I had to undo it.
It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over,
And this is the hair. I washed it.
we'll be there to guide you.
This is the wig cap that I'm going to use, and I've shared like 2 videos on how to make this type of wig cap. So I'll just put some links in the description box down below in case you're interested.
Be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
You don't have to pull the entire braid through the cap because it is big. You just have to create that loop and then pull the rest of the hair through the loop, just like that. So now I'm just going to repeat the same process. Insert the latch hook in the cap and then pull the hair through the cap.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
On the lace, I'm not going to crochet them because the braids are big, they may tear the knit. So I'm going just to sew them down. And as you can see, I'm done. I created a parting over there, as you can see, a straight line, and then I distributed the extra pieces just randomly on the entire cap. So guys, this wig was very simple for me to make. I think it took me 30 minutes to make this wig. I'm going to use this crochet stick. As you can see, it's very small. The one that I'm going to use is very small. On my previous video I told you can use this one to crochet the baby hair, but I realized it can be tiresome, so I'm going to use this one because this one is very quick and easy to use. So just like that, and I'm done. I stitched a band on it and applied some concealer on the lace just to make it like match with my skin tone. By the way, it's not heavy. This hair is not heavy at all. So you can style this hair any way you want. I'm going to show you different ways in which you can style this hair. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to make these wigs, braided wigs, I'll put some links in the description box down below. Just in case you're interested, you can check the description box down below. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.